So the Joust cab is all back together again. I've got the lights working on the front, and the monitor has had a recap. So the monitor had this big splodge here, a big black blob where there was no picture. Recapping that has solved that problem, and the monitor's looking quite nice. It was shaking a tiny little bit, just up and down, just a tiniest little bit, although right now it's looking pretty good. So I'm happy with that for the moment. It's all fully playable, and so it joins the family with the Defender, which is all running, and lights are all working on the front. The only thing that's sort of critical missing are from the coin door, the little actuator needles that detect the coins dropping are missing. So I need a couple of those, but apart from that, it's all playing. And sitting beside it, we still have the Robotron, which is looking nice. I've just noticed that there's no lights on the coin door on the Robotron. Definitely have to fix that, just so that it matches up everything else and looks its best. But overall, the little Williams family is looking quite nice.